welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited to share with you a new product that I am using for my YouTube channel and for my candle photos and my other concrete item photos. Christmas came early this year and I got a new tripod stand. My old one actually broke. I have been using it for a year, and when I first started my YouTube channel, I didn't really know where it was going. So, I got just a generic tripod ring light and it worked great for the year, but now that my YouTube channel is growing and my Etsy store, my website's growing, I needed something a little bit more sturdy and just higher quality. So I am here to share my review with all of you on what I think about it. I'm going to show you how I set it up and all the cool features that it has. If you're new to my channel, my name is Kayla. I make videos all about concrete and candles and crafts. So if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe so that way you don't miss out on any of the new videos I post in the future. All right, let's get to using the tripod and I will show you everything that came along with it. So upon opening the box, I saw the little Bluetooth remote that I will go into a little bit later, and little manual, of course. And then this is the actual ring light portion of it with the phone stand in the middle. It does rotate, which is a really nice option. And it has a dimmer as well. And this is the actual tripod part, and I will show you how I set it up and how it works. So on here, you just loosen this bottom spiral, you could call it, and then the legs will come right out for you. And then you want to tighten this back up so that way the legs don't move around on you. After you have that tightened, you can go ahead and use these to expand the height of the tripod. So you just pull out and then clip it back in, and that'll keep the tripod steady. This is a very tall tripod, which I love. And then you're just going to take the ring light and it just screws right on top. And this is what it looks like all the way up. All right, to give you guys a reference of how tall this thing is, I'm 5'8". And it's taller than me. So it's really tall. I really like the height on this because it does help you do over the shoulder projects. My tripod before didn't even come up to my shoulders. So it was really hard. Sometimes I had to put it on a table and it would fall off. So this is awesome. I would highly recommend a taller tripod when doing any videos or photo photography, because it really helps to just really get a bunch of different angles. All right, so this is the plug you're going to use. You're just gonna plug right into the USB cord, and that plugs into the wall and it gives it electricity. Now there is a dimmer on here, so you just push the power button, that gives you light. And there's actually 3 different lights, and I'll show you in a minute. But this is, I'm showing you the dimmer, so you can go up or down. And then it can also rotate, so if you need to position the light down or up, you can do that. And then the rest for the cell phone. Now this is going to show you the 3 different lights. They have more of a white natural light, a middle, and more of an orange light. All right, so this is the Bluetooth remote, and it comes with an extra battery. Now what you're gonna do, you see the blinking blue light, that's trying to link to a Bluetooth. So you just go into your settings on your phone, go to your Bluetooth, and that will link up so you can use the button to start and stop your videos. All right, so this is what it looks like with the full light on. I have the full brightness on, and you can also dim it. So this is dimmed all the way down. So if you want like a softer light, this is what it would look like. and then this is the full bright. So you can always play around with that. So the two things that I really, really like about this tripod, it's going to be first the remote for sure. It's a huge help for me. So when I'm recording videos, I always had to go over to my phone, push start. Once I was done with that segment, go over to my phone, push stop, and it's gonna save a lot of time just using this little remote that connects to your phone. So it can actually connect to Apple and Android, and they also have an app that you can download as well. The second thing that I love about it is the height. It is taller than me, which I think is awesome. So helpful because again, like I said before, it's hard to do projects over the shoulder, and I had to stand to the side of the camera. I really wasn't able to get a really good angle, and I had to put it on a table, and it's just really hard to balance sometimes. So I absolutely love the height, the remote, the light is awesome. I love the dimmer. So I would highly recommend this tripod if you're using it for videos or product photos. Now I'm going to have the description and a link below in the box, so that way if you're interested or you want to take a look, you can definitely find it. Now if you feel like I missed anything or you have any questions about how I'm using it or how it's going, feel free to post a comment below and I will definitely get back to you. Now, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up just so I know that this kind of content is helpful for all of you and you would like to see more. I hope to see you guys in the next video, and thanks again for watching.